Hi, sweeties. Today we are making Trader Joe's Mandarin orange chicken in our air fryer. Yeah, this is the first time I'm doing it now. The Trader Joe's Mandarin orange chicken does not come with the green beans. I'll show you that, as well. But it's just these chicken nuggets that come in the pack. And you can cook them on the stove top, like fry them. You can put them in the oven, but I decided to try it in my Ninja Foodi Grill, and I'm going to use that as my air fryer. It's got an air grill setting on top of some steamed white rice. So tasty. Let's get into it. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell, that thumbs up. Trader Joe's, or should I say Trader Ming's Mandarin Orange Chicken is one of their it is the best-selling item at Trader Joe's. It's really tasty. It comes with the chicken and a couple of sauce packets, and you just heat and then toss it in the sauce. But I like to add a vegetable. We're going to do it in the air fryer. I've got my Ninja Foodi Grill preheating. So once it's hot, we'll add those chicken pieces in. And I'm not going to spray it with any oil or anything. I'm just going to drop those pieces of Trader Joe's orange chicken. You can see they're just breaded chicken pieces. Drop them into our hot air fryer. It's got that air fry basket in there already. And on the directions, it says to cook them for 20 minutes in the oven. So, I'm not sure how long it's going to take in the air fryer, so we'll check on it in a minute. And then it comes with 2 sauce packets that I'm going to put into a microwave safe bowl and heat them up in the microwave. I picked up a bag of French cut fresh green beans from the produce section, and this is a microwavable bag, but I don't want to put this in the microwave. I want to try these in the air fryer as well. So I'm going to take these out of the bag, rinse them off, and then we'll get back to it. The chicken has been cooking for about 7 minutes, so let's check on it. Wow, that sizzle. I cooked this chicken at 425 degrees and it cooked really fast. Let's hear it. Yeah, that's crunchy. It's time for those to come out of the air fryer. And the Trader Joe's Mandarin Orange chicken is made from dark meat chicken, and it's got a flour and egg batter coating on it. Now, while our air fryer is still hot, let's put those green beans in. And I just rinsed these off and shook off any excess water. Then we will spray them with a little, this is an olive oil spray, and season them with a bit of kosher salt. Toss that around to make sure it's evenly coated. And we'll keep it at the same temperature, 425 degrees. There's about 7 minutes left on the clock, so we'll let that time just run out. And now let's take a look. Look how nicely they've cooked. Nice and brown. They've gotten a bit soft from cooking. You can see how they've lost a little bit of their volume, but my goodness, that looks really tasty. Now I'm going to add just a few drops of sesame oil, maybe just a teaspoon, more or less to your taste, but sesame oil is a potent flavor, so a little goes a long way. This is a great snack right here, but let's add them to our Mandarin orange chicken and toss those around so we will have a nice complete meal. And then remember that sauce we had, I'm just going to drizzle spoon by spoon because I don't like for it to be too sweet, have too much sauce. So I'm just going to drizzle a few spoonsful of that sauce on there and toss it around again. And dinner is done. I mean, just as fast as takeout. Air fried 425 degrees for about 7 or 8 minutes. You can cook those green beans in the microwave while, oh, let me give that a taste, while the chicken is cooking in your air fryer. And you can have this ready in 10 minutes. Now, I served this with some steamed rice. And I already had the steamed rice made because I cook a batch on the weekend. I always make extra. And then I reheat it in the microwave. And I actually put the Trader Joe's orange chicken back in the Ninja Foodi to reheat it. My husband wasn't home when I made this, so I just popped it back in the Ninja Foodi to reheat it and then served him up his dinner: green beans, steamed rice, Mandarin orange chicken. Thanks so much for watching. Please give me that thumbs up and click on my face to subscribe. Click here for more Ninja Foodi Grill recipes.